y'all, it's Chimdi. So I'm starting this style on freshly washed and stretched hair. And the first thing I'm going to do is separate the perimeter around my head. That's where I'm going to put the box braids later. So for now, I'm just going to separate that out. Next, I'm going to put my hair into cornrows. The way I'm going to do these small to medium sized braids is I'm going to first oil my scalp. I use a mix of olive oil and castor oil and braid each braid about 75 to 80% of the way down. And then do one big braid across the back with all of that leftover hair and crochet the end of that braid back into the braid I just made. This is the hair I'm using. It is Niagara Freetress from divatress.com. I love this hair. It's these soft, beautiful, like beach waves. The hair is actually not super shiny. It's actually much more textured. So it kind of looks like you just put like some flexi rods into your own long natural hair. So I absolutely love it. And I'm crocheting my hair as normal, using small pieces all throughout my head. I like to crochet them in small and kind of spaced out at first and then go in to make it as full as I want. This is how my hair is looking with one pack of hair. You can see how it's spaced out. And this is my hair after 2 packs. I'm going to use that final pack to do the perimeter, and the leftover hair I'm going to crochet into the front. So for the perimeter, my hair is a little bit longer than how I want the braids to go. So what I do is I braid it about, 2-3 inches down, and then I separate my natural hair from the synthetic hair. And what I do is I actually wrap my natural hair around the synthetic curl, kind of as if you were wrapping a faux lock. Only instead of wrapping the synthetic hair, you're wrapping your natural hair around the strand so that you can finish the braid with less of your natural hair. So you see I'm just wrapping my natural hair down the strand until I have about an inch or so of hair left. And then what I'm doing is I'm braiding that final inch into the synthetic hair. And then to finish off the braid, what I do is I separate out a piece of that synthetic hair and I wrap it in a single knot around the entire braid. And what you can do for extra security is actually separate that piece out again in 2 and wrap that around one more time. And here you see me doing it again for that final braid. I am just braiding my hair down, wrapping it around, braiding in the final inch or so, taking a bit of synthetic hair and tying it in a single knot around the entire strand. And the braid is nice and secure. Here's how my hair is looking. I want to go ahead and add in a little bit more hair. So I basically used up the rest of my 3rd pack of hair and filling out the front of my hair and the back and just any place where there was space that would have a full, voluminous set of crochet braids at the end. Once that was all done, I went ahead and laid my hair down with Eco Styler gel per usual, put on my satin scarf for a few minutes. And here is the final look. Super duper beautiful. I love these curls. I took them with me on vacation to Europe. Definitely check out those videos when they are released. And it definitely held up, but you do need to do a little bit of work to make sure it doesn't stay matted. Here's how the back is looking. Here's how the sides are looking. I'm going to show you a bit about the length as well. You can see kind of how long it is. Really big fan of this hair. You can get it from divatress.com. I think I wore this style for about 2 or 3 weeks or so before taking it out, but love it. Go ahead and give me a like if you like this video, subscribe to see more, and I will see you on the next one.